Hello, good afternoon. It's Ria here from Maisie Moo, and today I have a little helper with me. It's school holidays, and Isla, wave, say hello, Isla, is going to be helping us. So we're making this for who? Who are we making this for?
Olivia.
Because
She's my friend, and it's her birthday this weekend.
that's right, she's turning 11, isn't she? So we're going to make her a couple of gifts. So what we're putting together today is it is a pen holder. It's like a bookmark and it attaches to a notebook. So we've got the notebook and we've cut out our 3 pieces. So what pieces have we got, Isla? We've got
this one.
Yeah, we've got that's the back bit.
Yeah, and then that's like
the top. Now if you've made the lanyard holder, it's very similar to that, but we're going to be adding some elastic today. So I've got a lot of different elastic. You can use any sort of elastic. You can see we've got a whole heap here, but Isla's chosen the blue, haven't you, darling?
Yeah.
So alrighty, we are going to get started. So the first thing you want to do is get your elastic, and we're going to measure it, aren't we, around the book. So you want to grab the back piece, pop them at there, that's it, get all straightened up. And you want to put your elastic near the top. We've just got a little bit of tape from the end which is holding it in place. And then we're going to just measure it around the book that we're fitting it to. Now remember, with elastic it's stretchy, so if you're making them just generically, as long as there's enough there and it's stretchy enough, it will go around sort of most book sizes. Okay, so you just want to cut that. That's it. Yeah, just give it a cut. Because you're going to, when you glue it, now we're going to glue that with the hot glue. So you want to get a little bit of dab of glue under that bit that you've taped first. Yes. Yeah.
take the tape off.
Yeah, take the tape off. And you want to centre it. Just cut it off if it doesn't. There we go. It should, because it's going to be underneath where the top bit goes. There we go. All right, so
Take the glue.
there you go. So pop a dab of glue. Now try and make sure it's in the centre, because you want it to be lined up at the bottom when you sew it.
To about there.
Yep. Okay, so put
There
that.
we go.
There we go. That's it. Okay, so now straighten at the bottom there a little bit. And then you want to grab this so that it's a bit stretchy. You want it to have a bit of stretch, so that, not too much, but so that it just doesn't slip off the book. So does that feel? Yep, I think that feels good. So do you want me to pop that glue there for you while you hold it? Now you stick. Now don't burn yourself. This is hot, this one. That's it. Good girl. Okay, so you let that dry, and then I would be inclined to just trim this little bit here off the bottom, because when you put this on you don't really want it sticking out and getting in the way. There we go. Yep, as far up as you can go. Good girl. Okay, so to sew this together I'm using, well, I'm not using, Isla's using embroidery floss and a large-eyed embroidery needle. You want to pick that up? There we go. And we're going to start sewing near the top. There we go. That's it. We want to start sewing one of these holes up here. So you pop it through that hole. You can take this off now. Do you want to take it off?
Yep. So good.
Okay, so what we need to do, Isla, is you've got your thread and you're going to pass the needle. You're going to start the stitch, that's right, near the top. Pull it all the way through so that the knot is held. And if you want to add a tiny dot of glue there, try and just have it on the middle bit. That's it, gently. You can hold it down with something. Okay, just put that there.
Nice.
A little helper. Okay, so let that dry, and then you want to pop, you want that on there, so line that up. Good girl.
Right there.
And start sewing. So what you want to do is simply stitch all the way around the edge. Now we'll let Isla stitch up to the elastic, and then when we get there we'll show you what we need to do. So okay,
Down.
come forward a bit so you're under the camera. That's that's it.
You should speed this bit up.
I will do.
Okay, because
Because it'll be slow. Yep.
Ah.
That's fine. And you pull it nice and tight. So if you pull it nice and firm, that's it.
And through here.
Okay, so why don't you we'll grab the top piece and lay
This
it on top, line it up with the bottom.
Ooh.
Now, so you're wanting to keep your the elastic there. What we could do, why don't we put a little dot of glue just underneath there to hold that in place in the middle. In fact, and if you're wanting to, you could glue. Well, what we might even do is glue all the way down so it doesn't catch on the pen.
A big line?
No, underneath it. So do a line down the middle. That's it. You don't need too much as long as it's going to hold it in place because it's quite fibrous. Now, you don't need to pull this tight. Okay. Oh, these fingernails are gross. There we go. So press that down. Oh, yep, just press it down. Don't pull it. That's it. Press it all down. Perfect. Okay, so you want to pop this bit on. Okay, so we're just sandwiching all the three pieces together now, and you just want to continue sewing around the edge. So that's it, take it up through that top hole, good girl. Now we're going to go all the way around and then back again with this, just so it's nice and firm and reinforced.
Your office.
Okay, so Isla's gone all the way around and now she's just going to go all the way around again, so she's got a good solid stitch there so it holds all the pins in place.
So it's backwards.
Okay, so now Isla has sewn all the way around and back again. Now she's got a few more stitches. Do you want to hold it up to the camera so they can see? No, you've still got a few more stitches, darling. Don't bring it through yet because you've got to keep stitching.
Oh, I see.
Till they're all, that's it. So when you pull this, try and just get a bit of tension on it because you want it to nice and tight. Good girl. So now, is this going to be your last stitch? Have a look on the back, flip it over. Look, there's no more stitches. So yes, so you're going to take it through this hole, but you're going to pass it through. That's it, between the layers. Good girl. That's it. You want to, oops, you've looped it around the whole thing, just grab that and then bring it around, that's it. Okay, so Okay, no. What we've done there, see what you've done there? You've just, but you can, there we go. So that's your last stitch there. So what you want to do now is Mummy will start you off coming up like that. You're passing it through. See how you've got that loop? Then you take your needle again. And because we're doing it underneath this area, it doesn't matter because it's all hidden. So I'm going to take it through and make sure it goes through my loop. Now when you pull that, put one finger there and pull it. Yeah, so you feel it. It's going to make a knot. Oh, you need to pull that bit. Oh. So now we'll pull it tight. That's it. And that's created a wee knot. So tuck that under so you can't see it. Now I would do it, let's do it one more time.
Just a double
We'll do this as another knot and then so that there's 2 knots. There you go. So can you pull that one? It's okay. So now you pull it tight and then it creates perfect.
Thank you for watching me make this pen holder bookmark for my friend's birthday, and I'm very sorry for sniffling a lot.